Hey guys, thank you for joining me again. And I just want to say thank you to all my students who have been watching and sharing feedback with me. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So today we are going to be reading a level B reader, and it is called Go, Animals, Go. The cow is in a car. The pig is on a bike. The goat is in a boat. The dog is on a train. The bird is on skates. The duck is in a plane. The cat is on a horse. Go, animals, go. Okay, guys, now it's your turn to go back to the start and mute me and read to yourself. Great job. Now that you're finished, let's take a look at our follow-up activity. This one wants us to cut and paste. And if we were at school, we totally could. But since we're all at home, grab some paper, any kind of paper, and let's make our own books. This way, you'll have your book to read over and over throughout the week and get those language skills practiced. So as you can see, I've already made my title page, Go, Animals, Go. And I know you guys know I am a lovely, lovely artist. And just quick pictures, don't worry about those. Let's get our vocabulary words down. And what we can do is we can take a look at the pictures of the animals. Our first one here is the cat. You are correct. Now, can anyone remember which mode of transportation did the cat use? The cat was on the... I'm going to write it down and see if you guys get it. 1, 2, 3. Horse. You got it. The cat was on the horse. Now, let's take a look back at our book. Can you remember what sentence they used? They used the cat is on a horse. I was using was. Can I write it? Oh, yeah. So I was using was, which is the past tense, because we already read the story. They're using the present, is. The cat is on a horse. So let's use the same sentence pattern as what is in our book. And I've got my marker and my lovely little book that I've started, and I am going to even look and practice those vocabulary words. The cat is on, I'm not gonna have room, a horse. You might have to write a little bit smaller or leave yourself a bit more room than I did. But here we go. We have the cat is on a horse. And we can try drawing this. Let's see how my horse will go for you guys. I don't have enough. The tail is my favorite part. We'll see if I can give this guy some legs. And all right, it's not awful, but it's also not super lovely either. And we'll do my cat. All right, so this is what I've got started so far. All right, so we'll do my cat, and he's gonna have some little legs here. And there we go, we have the cat is on a horse. So let's take a look at our second image. Let's take a look at our second image. What is it, guys? A duck. You've got it. So think back to that story. On your next page of your book, write that sentence. The duck is on. Take a picture of it when you're finished and send it to me. You know I love to see your work. And you have 1, 2, 3 more animals. So that means 3 more sentences to complete this activity. And then send it to me, please, at tv48176 at tvdsb.ca. Now, for our next activity, we are going to take a look at some prepositions. All right, so for today, we are going to work with 2. We have the word in, I, N, I, N, in, and our other word we're going to be working with is on. O-N, on. On. Awesome, guys. So when we're looking at this activity, we have to figure out what the animal is doing. Are they in or are they on something? I wonder, I have some markers that are in my pencil case. But if I take some markers out and I put them like this, then they are on the pencil case. So let's do number 1 together. We'll see what we can figure out, and then you can do the rest on your own and send me a picture. So number 1, here we go. Cute little animal we have there. Does anyone know what kind of animal that is? I'll give you a hint. It starts with a fox. You've got it. F-O-X, fox. A lot of my students love spelling that as soon as they learn how. So that little fox, what is he doing? Is he in the box or is he on the box? Did you guess? In the box? You were correct if you did. Awesome job. Can you even take it a little bit further and make a sentence to go with that? What could we say? The. So we have the, and we know it's F-O-X, fox. Ooh, can I do it like this? Let's try. Is on the. I made a mistake, didn't I? I was going, and I didn't even catch that. But I did in the end, so we're good. Let's change that O to an I, because mistakes are okay. The fox is in the box. The box. And you know what I even love about this sentence is it's also showing us something else from the English language. And that is something that I kind of enjoy called rhyming or word families. And here we have that OX, that ox, ox. So it has that same ending sound. Ox, ox, fox, box, locks, chalks. There's many sounds. They don't have to always be spelled the same, but they have to sound the same to be rhyming words. So we've used our preposition in, and we've even learned some word families, some rhyming words. Nice work today, guys. What you can do is now take a look at the rest of the pictures. And see if you can figure out which preposition to use, in or on. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures, and you can write it down on a piece of paper so we know we did number 1. That is in. And now you can write down the rest. And if you want to take that extension and go further, you can make sentences just like we did for the number 1 picture and send them to me. Don't forget that address is tv48176.ca. Nope, at tvdsp.ca. Don't forget that address is tv48176 at tvdsp.ca. Thanks so much for working with me again today, guys. I hope to see some work from you soon, and I can't wait to get back to you and